Welcome to this step-by-step guide on setting up Worklenz self-hosted. If you want full control over your project management environment, hosting Worklenz on your own infrastructure is the perfect solution. Let's walk through the installation process together. First, head over to our official GitHub repository. You will find the link in the description below. Copy the repository URL, open your terminal, and run the git clone command to download the necessary files to your local machine. Before we execute the setup, there is one key prerequisite: Docker. Please ensure that Docker and Docker Compose are installed and running smoothly on your system, as our installation relies on them to build the environment. Once cloned, navigate into the new Worklenz directory. To launch the interactive setup wizard, /manage.sh and hit enter. This script is designed to make the configuration process as seamless as possible. When the menu appears, type 1 to start the installation. Next, it will ask for your domain. If you are testing locally, simply type localhost. If you are setting this up for a live production environment, enter your full custom domain name here. Now you have a choice on how to build the application. Y, if you want to build directly from the source code. If you prefer a faster setup, in to download and use our pre-built, optimized images directly from Docker Hub. Depending on your internet speed and system hardware, this process will take a few minutes. Make your selection, and the script takes over. Behind the scenes, Worklenz is pulling the necessary databases, backend services, and front-end interfaces. You can monitor the progress right here in your terminal. Once the terminal confirms the installation is complete, your workspace is live. Open your web browser and navigate to the domain you configured, or localhost. Open a web browser, type localhost, and press enter. A security warning may appear. Click Advanced. Then, select Accept the risk and continue. On the login screen, click Sign Up. Enter your personal details and create a secure password. Set up your account by entering your workspace data. Click Continue. Add your first project task here. Then, click Continue. Invite your team members here, or simply click Skip to do this later. Your Worklenz setup is completely finished. Welcome to your new workspace. You will be greeted by the Worklenz setup screen where you can create your admin account and start managing your projects immediately. Thanks for watching.